Welcome, in front of me I have Canon EOS M10 and today I'll show you how we can adjust the power saving options on this camera. So at the first we have to go for the menu, and then tap right here, go for the second, and here we get the power saving. So we can change the auto power down, we can turn it on and turn it off, and the same for the display. We can change the display off for the 20 seconds, 10, 30, 1, 2 or 3 minutes. Unfortunately we don't have here the 3 minute, the permanently turn off screen, but of course it only depends if you turn on this power saving mode, right? So when the power saving mode is turned off, your display will be stand, so you don't have to worry about that. And after that we can simply go back. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.